Hey friends, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent, and today we are going to be talking about the 5 brand new 4-volt lithium-ion USB tools Ryobi just announced today. Now these are pretty exciting tools because they are very practical for just about everyone, and I love the approach that they're taking with getting feedback and developing those tools. So hang on. Here we go. The first tool that we're going to take a look at is the USB lithium-ion 2 amp hour battery. This is the rechargeable battery. Now the big thing about this one is it can charge your phone. Now the previous generation you were not able to get power output. You could only input power and then use tools with it. Well, this one, it really gives you that ability to charge the phones, and you have a power gauge. So you press the little button on there and it's going to give you a green, yellow, or red, and that's going to show you the type or the level of the battery, so you can be sure that you know before you actually use it what is the charge on it. Now if we take a look at the price, it is going to MSRP for $24.97. The next tool, this is the USB LED Magnifying Light Kit. Now if you remember, we have the little halo light. It's the clamp light. It goes onto your desk, whatever, and it can come right down and you can articulate it any way you want. Well, this is just like that, but this is kind of like a more mobile version. So if you want to be a new technological Sherlock Holmes, this is the tool for you. Or if you just need it in the field and you need to take a look at something with small writing, this is also for you. Now, it has 3x magnification with 200 lumens, up to 16 hours of runtime. That is always a good thing. Now, it's going to MSRP for $39.97. Now this is an interesting tool. This is the USB lithium-ion LED pivoting laser flashlight kit. Now some of the things you need to know about this, it's 625 lumens of output light on high, has a 180 degree pivoting head and a magnetic base, so you can stick that on your toolbox, furnace, whatever you're working on, car, hood, whatever, stick it right on there and you're going to be able to articulate that light head on it to get the light just where you need it. With 625 lumens coming out of it, I think it's going to light up wherever you need it. Now it does have 3 modes in case 625 lumens is too much for you. It has a low, medium, and high. Now it's IP54 water and dust resistant. That means you can use it in various different settings, which is a very good thing, especially if you work in the field. Now it has a 16 hours of runtime, and that's really important. If you're in the field and you're doing a lot of work in the field, and let's say you work 8 to 10 hours a day, you don't want to worry about your lights dying on you, and that's where 16 hours really comes in handy. Now I know this is what everyone has been waiting for. This is the brand new USB lithium ratchet kits. Now they come in a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch size, and that is the cool part because you're going to be able to do a lot with these. Not just 1/4 inch, even though it's a 4-volt system, you're also going to get a 3/8 inch. Now the big thing, it's compact for tight spaces, and that's what you really want. Now I don't know of anyone else on the market that really has a compact ratchet kit. Now if you take a look, it has an LED work light onto it, has LED signals for low battery as well. It's on the USB lithium-ion system. That's why we are talking about it. And this is going to retail for $69 for both. Now that's for the kit. That's actually a really good price for the kit. And I think a lot of people are going to buy these for your bicycles and for different things. Now, don't get me wrong. Whenever I say it's a ratchet kit, it's a bolt runner. And what do I mean by a bolt runner? It's going to be able to spin those nuts and bolts into place pretty quickly. Is it going to be able to tighten them like you would torque it down? Absolutely not. But you can wrench on it and you can tighten it, and I'm sure you'll be able to do that. But you got to be careful so you don't break it. That's the big thing. These aren't an impact ratchet wrench. This is just a ratchet wrench. So don't get ahead of yourself thinking that this is going to be your one-stop solution for all of your mechanical needs. This is going to be your bolt runner. Then you're able to torque it, but it's going to save you time, and it's in kind of almost like a regular ratchet. You know, it's going to be small. You're going to be able to get it into different places, and that's a big thing, and that's a pretty big game changer, especially if you're a cyclist. If you're a cyclist and you can keep this in your bag of tools, like that's just mounted on your bike, it's really going to get you to places and solutions and repairs that you may have not been able to get to before, or it's going to make your life a little bit easier because that one battery, if you have lights, it's going to power your lights, it's going to power the ratchet wrench, it's going to power some other tools, screwdrivers that you may have, the fans that you may have. The 4-volt system is really a mobile system, and it's a really good solution. So with that being said, those are the 5 new tools that you can expect from Ryobi in the near future. newly released today, or at least newly announced today. Not released. Hopefully it'll be released soon. But if we're going to announce them, here is where you want to have it. Now, I'm going to put a shameless plug for our group. We talk about all these tools in the Ryobi Rebels group. So go ahead and head over to the Ryobi Rebels group. I'm going to post a link down below. There is a huge community of 58,000 people that join that group, that we talk about the tools, we look at some of the old tools, some of the new tools, so we discuss the differences, and we help each other out as well. So it is a big community, and that's what we're here for, is community. So everyone, thanks for watching. Please like the video if you like the video. Please subscribe as well, and please share the video. Whenever you share the video, you're going to introduce people to some of these really awesome new tools, and that's what we're trying to do, is build community up around tools, because when you use tools, you are improving yourself, you're improving the environment around you, you're learning, and hopefully we can pass that on to the next generation. And until the next time, everyone, take care. See you in the next video.